Okay, so we go to the link. You can sign in with your name, whatever you want that to be. Password is optional, but I'm just gonna say hi as the password. Then you have that when you first log in, the schedule is all pink out like this. Um, and that indicates that you're unavailable. So if you want to indicate that you are available, um, um, you can just like say you have work from 9 to 3 every weekday. So you can just fill that out. This is Saturday and Sunday. This is Monday. So we can fill this in. And then say you have a meeting. Um, you've got church, you've got a family dinner, um, and um, and so you can just fill out the schedule like that to just block out what you're not available for. It says unavailable. And then that will update the group's availability. So you can see the darker green, the more people available. So at this time, nobody's available. You can see in the left, there's like available and unavailable. Nobody's available. One person's available. Everyone's available. Um, when you make changes, it automatically saves. And then if you need to go back to, if something changes, you need to go back for it, you can just log in with your name again. And if you had a password, Um, and then you can just go in and make changes to the schedule that will update the group schedule. That's all.